You are about to find out the key levels for Cava Group, ticker CAVA. So they do have their earnings coming out after hours today. They are a recent IPO. So what are the key things I want to be paying attention to? So firstly, we do have this anchored VWAP to be paying attention to. So this is usually an anchored VWAP from June 1st. Again, considering this IPO'd around June 15th, you're missing a few days of data, but overall is going to be its anchored VWAP basically since an IPO, which should still be relatively strong. So we'll be watching that coming into earnings at 45.50. Now, if we sell off, we have strong supports at 43.25 and 37.50. So that's going to be the two main supports, again, second and third deviations. That third is really nice, catch the two recent lows, so would be that third time hitting it and acting as a support, so we'll see how that reacts. And if we did get an overreaction to the downside, we do have one more support at $32. Now, again, these are quite far off. I mean, going from that to even the third deviation is a 20% move. But again, looking at a stock like this, recent IPO and a very volatile one at that, can definitely have room to move to any of these three levels. So I'll be looking at those as supports. Now, to state the resistances, we have fair value at 54.50, so usually not a level we'll trade off of, but trade to. So if we were holding it long, again, that would normally be a target, but obviously that's taken a lot of risk coming into earnings, and that level has played out quite nice looking at previous trending moves. Now, if we go higher, we have our next resistance at $60.25, and if we're able to break that, we have $65.90. So again, from current price, the only one we could really probably see is that first deviation. That still requires a 30% move, but I think this will be a lot nicer of a stock to trade it if we do go to the downside, because these upside levels are just so far off from where we are now. With the supports, we only need to move 6% to the first one, 19% to the second, or 31 to the third. So I think my main two focuses will be on these two levels if we go to the downside. If we do go up, then again, we'll be paying attention to 60, but I don't know if we'll quite see a move that large. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.